Hi, Jenny here. In today's video we are going to make sugar cookie swirl cookies with Jimmies on the outside. Let's get started. Okay, for this recipe we are going to use half a cup of butter, 8 tablespoons, and we're going to mix that in with 1 cup of sugar. And to this we are going to add 1 egg and half a teaspoon of vanilla, and again mix that up well. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt and 1.5 cups of flour. Okay, and now I put some saran wrap on my countertop. I only have red at this point in time, so use what you have. Put our dough on there, and we're actually going to take half of that. One kind of a square. Put some wax paper on top. And roll that out. I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator while I work on the other ones to keep this one chilled. Alright, for the next ball of dough, we'll wear some gloves because you're going to be using food coloring and you don't want to get your hands all full. We'll start off with approximately a half a teaspoon of food coloring. You can add more to whatever color that you want. Okay, actually I just threw that back into my mixing bowl and beat it up some more because that was easier to mix than just doing it by hand. So now once again we will spread it on our sheet and roll it out till it's a flat consistency. And then we will add our other plain dough on top of it. I'm going to pour some sprinkles, any color sprinkles that you want, into a big cookie sheet. We'll roll this around on there until it's completely covered, and then we'll cover it back up in some saran wrap, and you want to chill it for 4 hours. Okay, I made another batch of dough, just like the last ones. I'm going to divide that in half and put that in the mixing bowl, and I'm going to add some green food coloring. Alright, and now we have our green one made. We're going to refrigerate that for 4 hours and then we can bake them. Alright, once your dough has been in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, I'm going to take it out, unwrap it, and then cut it into about 1/4 inch pieces and put it on our baking sheet. Bake it at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. In the oven, 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. After you take your cookies out of the oven and they have set for 2 minutes on here, you want to take them off and put them on the cooling sheet to cool completely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe in the comment section below. Let me know in the comments if you've ever made swirl cookies before. This was my first try at this. Obviously you can use different colors for the different occasions that you may be making it for, and different colored sprinkles. If you want to subscribe to me, you can click down there, and there will be another video for you to watch up there. I'm going to enjoy my treat. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye! Of course I haven't done this in a while, so I'm going to forget. And my dog is staring at me waiting for this to think it's his treat. Not gonna be. Right now I'm going to take a bite of my treat. I'm gonna taste this one and see how that goes. You guys keep it positive and go enjoy your day. Bye-bye! Not. Practice, 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 practice. Leave another video for you to see over there. You can subscribe to me up there. Look at my arm. Oh, it's so pretty.